How long does a septic tank typically last? Usually, you're looking at around 20 to 40 years if you keep up with the right maintenance. Okay, so here's the deal. Septic tanks don't just last forever without some TLC. First off, get your tank pumped every 3 to 5 years to avoid backups and costly repairs. Don't flush anything weird like wipes, grease, or chemicals because they mess up the system big time. Keep heavy stuff like cars and machinery off the drain field since it can crush the pipes underground. Plant grass or shallow-rooted plants over the drain field to help soak up water, but skip big trees because roots can invade and ruin the system. Watch out for slow drains or bad smells. That's usually a warning sign something's off. If you notice water pooling around the tank or drain field, call a pro as soon as possible before it gets worse. And always keep records of inspections and pumping. It helps track when you need to schedule the next service. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is ignoring regular pumping, which can lead to sludge buildup and expensive damage. The fix? Set a reminder to pump on time, even if you don't notice problems yet. Another common issue is flushing harmful items like sanitary products or chemicals that kill helpful bacteria. The solution here is simple. Only flush toilet paper and human waste. Lastly, many folks don't protect the drain field by driving or parking over it, causing crushed pipes and system failure. Just keep vehicles and heavy stuff away from that area to avoid trouble. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with local, trusted contractors who know their stuff about septic systems and other home projects. For contractors, it's a solid way to get work and grow your business by reaching people who actually need your services in your area.